Hey everybody, how are you guys doing today? I'm pretty excited about this diamond painting I got. It is from Mystical Diamond Art, and I have been wanting this painting for a long time now. It's by Josephine Walls, and I absolutely think this picture is stunning. Love it. Thought I'd take a break from mowing the lawn and helping my son mow the lawn and do this video. Thought I'd introduce myself. My name is Pam. My YouTube channel is Pamela's Creations, and I like to crochet, diamond paint, and do some paper crafts, cross stitching, and make jewelry for commission. Yeah, that's me. So yeah, I wanted to come on here and show you this beautiful picture. So I'm going to pause the video real quick and I'm going to undo the box. 1 second. All right, guys, I am back. So, yeah, so what I love about this company is their poured glue. And if you are like a veteran diamond painter, you understand the poured glue for the adhesive and whatnot. It's just, I prefer it. It's easier to deal with. So, yeah. Okay, so this one has 35 colors, and I will show you the picture. Isn't that stunning? Oh my gosh, I love it. It is Horizons by Josephine Walls, and look at it has 35 colors in it. Look at that. And you could tear these off. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that stunning? I absolutely adore that. I have been wanting that picture forever. And then you get your basic toolkit and some baggies and some wax and a boat. And let's open up the picture. Oh, you also get a sticker. That's cool. I like that. That's so cool. You get a sticker with it. So, let's undo this. Okay. Let's undo this. And so you all can see the picture. I hope everyone is staying safe out there and being healthy. Hopefully things will turn around soon. Okay, so let's look at this picture. Let me see if I can. Isn't that stunning? I love the quality of this. If I can just get my camera to do what it's supposed to do. So this picture is, I'm not sure what size this is. But like I said, it has 35 colors, and you can see the picture on here too. That's the schematic, and then the colors. But another thing I like about this is I can actually read the drill field on here. Look at that. How clear is that? Oh my gosh, I can actually read that. Wow. And it's pretty sticky. I like that. Nice. Nice painting. Oh, stunning. So with the box, I like that it has the contents on the side. I'll show you. It tells you everything that's in there. And that's the box. Oops. I will link the company in my description box down below. I highly recommend you check out that website. She also has a YouTube channel. Her name is Amy. I will also link her channel down below in the description box. What else? She does cross stitching and diamond painting and crochet and other crafts. Definitely go check her out. Right now she's doing the Mania, Stitch Mania. So she'll be showing those. And yeah, love this painting. So tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to, I have a diamond painting that I had finished and I want to, it's like a finished object. So I will hopefully do a post review on that. And I'm going to insert a video right here, right now, of a finished object that was a commission. So I'll see you shortly. Hey everyone. So I thought I'd pop up on here and show you my finished piece for a commission I did. And it is a V-stitch poncho with 2 points on it. I'll show you. You guys can see. And then the tie right here. And I'm pretty proud of myself because this is a major first finished piece that I have done with crochet. Usually I just do small things here lately, but I managed to get one done. Isn't that pretty? She wanted different types of colors on it. And all of the yarn on this was made with Michael's Loops and Threads Impeccable. And this color was a blue. And the yellow was a butterscotch. And this was Aran. And this was lavender. And this was called blue, or shoot, what was it called? Orchard, Red Orchard, or something like that. And then the tie is royal blue. And it was all done in 3 rows of each color. But the purple here I ran out of, so I couldn't do. Oh, I forgot to cut a piece. Anyway, I'll have to do that. So yeah, pretty excited about my piece. I'm going to be sending that in the mail today. I really hope that she likes it, and I hope it's what she wanted. Yeah, pretty excited over it. Just kind of show you. And then I put all the fringes on the bottom. Super cute. Anyways, that was my finished item. I just want to show you real quick. Alright guys, have a great day now. Bye. Okay, I'm back. So that was my finished object. Yeah, finally got something done, right? I hope she likes it. It looks so pretty. It took a lot of hard work. I mean, it was just a total V-stitch, you know, poncho, but I took my time on that. And I wanted to look nice. But, oh, I wanted to show you the drills real quick before I get off here. I'm not going to open these up. I'm just going to take a package out. Don't mind the crinkling. Because I wanted to show you how they packet the drills. I love this method because if you don't want to kit up, you don't have to. But I wanted to show you a couple of her baggies. Yeah, see, they're individually bagged. So you could just like literally take some out, put it in your little boat tray and diamond paint, and then literally put the drills back. And they come in rounds. And look at the quality. I mean, there's no junk in it or anything. I like that. Isn't that nice? Yeah, love it. So these are the colors. Stunning. That right there, that's my favorite color right there. Right there. One of them anyway. Oh, gorgeous. Yeah. All right, you guys. I'm going to get off here and upload my videos. I hope you all stay safe out there. And I hope you have a blessed day. And please watch and subscribe and make comments. All right, guys. I will talk to you all later. Bye.